Start recording.
Used to do a
Stop recording.
But I'm still Southern Dallas and
YouTube, 2 minutes ago.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind entries. Location impacted include Springfield, Republic, Marshfield, Battlefield, Willard, Rogersville, Stratford, Seymour, Fair Grove, Fordland, Conway, Pleasant Hope, Niangua, Morrisville, Duncan, Brookline, Diggins, Elkland, Glidewell, Turners. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 63 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Dallas, Greene, Polk, and Webster. Severe thunderstorm watch number 41.
alright. I'm gonna end that off.
Stop recording.